Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm doing the intro today from inside the van because it's really windy out. It's pretty much nearly gale force winds. But I've come to Pensnet, meeting up with Joe and Lee, the Pope, from Magnetised. You've met Joe before on one of my previous videos. So yeah, so the sound quality might be terrible, so I'm going to say sorry in advance, but there's nothing I can do about the wind. So actually, let me give you a quick show of the van. Mine's the junk. There we go. There's my sink. Sitting on
Hey, mate.
Here they are.
Fancy seeing you. What are you doing? That magnet fishing stuff?
That magnet fishing rubbish.
Yeah, we are like to join in, like.
Yeah, join in.
Have a jump in.
Met a couple of Muppets on the way, so
Yeah, well.
I thought, yeah, three Muppets together. Can't go wrong, really, can we?
Fancy seeing you.
That's strange, isn't it?
No, which way? I got lost. I wasn't supposed to be going for a loaf of bread.
No, good to Ponty Tesco's.
Yeah. About 3 hours ago, wasn't it?
Ended up in a
Dudley, something.
Yeah. Come right way there, you ready?
full of... Alright, mate.
Right then, let's head off to the canal and we'll see what we get today. There we go, one truck. And what on earth has you found there?
Great. Great, that.
Oh, someone would be grateful you got that out.
Oh, it's like really great, that.
Oh guys, nice little find there. That is actually a grinder. So Mrs. Brummie was there. Yes, it's for naughty stuff. And just arrived is Northampton magnet fishing.
How you doing,
Hey. So a few more. So we've got a few things out. There's a little trike.
No, don't put your present.
Oh.
Kevlar line gloves.
Oh, look at that. Thank you very much. Nigel gave me some Kevlar gloves. I'll be sticking them on in a minute. Have a go with them. So, thank you to Nigel. But that is a really cool find, that is. Happy with that. Right, in the bucket. Right, let's see what else we find next. Right guys, next find. Let's have a look. There we go. One kitchen knife, looks like a bread knife. Right. Goes over there. One knife. Haven't pulled a knife out for a while. There we go. That goes in the bucket. Right. Let's see what we get next. Oh god, move down to the next bridge. And we have got a little sea from Swan Lake. There we go. So, they're already out on it. Having a dabble. Oh, hang on, some out already, ain't there? Oh, who's up for the pole dance?
Not me. Alright, but two can have a go.
Oh, look at that, 2 for the price of 1. Right, let's see what we get there. Right guys, back to another location. What's this? Third one?
Yeah.
I think it's the third one. There's Joe.
Right.
And Lodge is down there. And it's really weird bridge. It's like a bridge inside a bridge. You can just see that. Really weird. Hang on, let me turn you around. Right, this is the one part of the bridge. And then you got that. A bridge under a bridge. A bridge over a bridge, one or the other. There's the Pope down there. Having a dabble. Right, let's see what we get out of this location. Right guys, let's have a look at what I found at this location. Well, I won't show the camera to pick it up, it's got dark under it. But that is a piece of exhaust from a canal boat. So is that. And then we've also got two of the hat things at the top. And a bar. And then we've got horse colour, some cans. And what I reckon's happened is as the boats come through, because that is so low, I've got a feeling that it's hitting the exhaust of the barges or canal boats, and that's how they've ended up in the canal. That's my opinion. Right. Joe's got a scooter and a shopping trolley. Another piece of shopping trolley. Oh, I also found this. I've no idea what it is until I clean it up when I get home. That looks really solid. And then Joe found this. See if we can get it out in the light. I think that needs a clean up. See what markings are on that. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. Some road signs. Yeah. So, there they are, still at it. Still having a dabble. Now then, these gloves that Nigel gave me, Kevlar gloves, they are amazing. They are really good. No idea where he got them from, but massive thank you for that. Right, let's see what we get next. Look, a piece of wood with nails in it. Lee's just shouted he's found a cannonball. So we'll have a look at that in a minute.
Yeah, well, yeah, I'll leave that in about 10-20 minutes and see what's what.
Found a gun. What? I found a gun. Look at that, guys. I've only gone and found a gun.
I'll see you in a minute.
Wow, that's amazing.
Careful.
There we go. One lighter. Another bit of a can. Same again. Have a lighter. And a can. Well guys, just want to quickly show you. Can't remember if I have or not. One. Little cannonball. How cool. It's one of Lee's finds. That's really cool, that is. Right guys, back in the van, just heading home. Had a real good day. I'm absolutely worn out, back's gone and all sorts. So I'll get home, have something to eat, and then I'll show you what we found. So we'll see you in a bit. Right guys, let's go through what we've found on this adventure. But oh,
It's our little granddaughter.
it's
Say
our little
hello.
granddaughter.
Hello. You put your thumb up. Yay.
Yeah.
She's Jamie's sister.
Yeah,
Yay.
little hair on her.
Right then. Do the
Right,
bike
start at the
first.
back. Got the bike.
Bike.
That over there is a fell apart little computer.
Like I say, looks like a computer. Oh, she's gone.
Cheers.
Some bars over there.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my foot stuck in this circle thing. Oh God.
Oh, give me the camera.
No.
Then here we've got the
Funnels.
funnels off the canal boats.
And their
I'm
little
not allowed to call them
hats.
barges.
Why? Barges in
I
there.
got told off.
Oh no, I don't know them with barges.
Yeah. They're barge past the roof. Then we've got a couple of bike locks. One big hefty crowbar.
God, that is a chunky one, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna clean that up. Go in the toolbox.
Yeah.
And then no idea what that was.
Oh, that's the dog.
That's the doorbell. A big foot thing. Piece of chain. Think I better pause it so I can go and answer the door.
Tara's gone.
Bike chain.
That's quite long, isn't it?
Yeah. Then here we've got a little screwdriver. Them dogs are going nuts. And Lee
Oh,
caught a fish, magnet fishing. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then we got a little horseshoe.
I love
Quite a
horseshoes.
thick one, that is. That needs cleaning up and going with the rest of them. Then a couple of dodgy gas bottles. No idea what that was. Some couple of lighters. Look, you can actually say it. We found some naughty stuff.
Yay.
That is a grinder for grinding up nut stuff, apparently.
Okay.
That is a very old, looks like a motorbike clock.
It does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Got a handle on it still. It's handy.
Yeah, pretty cool. Little baby padlock.
Cute.
I say I didn't actually get everything there. It was like a mixture.
Yeah.
No, that looks like that part there looks like it's for lifting drains.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, maybe.
pretty cool. A big bolt. No idea what that was. And then we got over here some more bars and stuff. That looks like a part of the canal barrier.
Oh yeah, the side.
Yeah. And I have no idea what that was.
Monkey bar.
Yeah. Then we've got a big gate hinge. Pretty cool. I don't know what that was either.
Could be stick in the ground and tie some up to it. I don't know.
Could be like a stake for the barges or
Yeah,
something.
could be. I don't
Yeah,
know.
could be. Bracket. This big massive ring.
It's like a porthole.
It does, doesn't
Porthole window.
it? Yeah. I mean, it's a bit big for one of the links that are on the ground. For the barges
Yeah.
to. Right then, I'm on the table.
What is that then?
I have no
It comes
idea
in a
in the
case.
slightest. It comes in the case. I haven't got the foggiest idea what it is.
Looks like a multi-tool or something.
Yeah, that actually looks a bit like a bottle opener.
Bottle.
doesn't it?
Yeah, I was thinking that. A bottle opener and that.
And can openers. Yeah, it could be.
like a multi-tool thing.
No idea. It's good though. They're
The gun.
good. It's actually a pellet gun. It's a gat gun.
So do we have to hand this into the place?
No, because it's only a pellet gun and there's no way it's going to fire anyway.
Peekaboo, where are you? Yeah. So
It
what make
actually-
is it?
It says SR Industries something or other. California, USA.
See if it'll pick it up. Is it?
No.
There it is.
Yeah, it's a bit too grubby for that.
Our second gun ever.
Handgun. Second handgun.
Oh, second hand gun. Yeah, we've got
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
sun off shotgun,
Yeah. Then we've got
a paring knife, and a bread knife.
a what knife?
I think they're called paring knives. They're like
What's a paring knife?
chopping up like fruit and that, I think.
Okay.
Chopping up veg and
Okay. Cool.
they've
I know that's
fell
a bread
off.
knife.
Yeah, they fell off barges or
Yeah.
canal boats.
Now, Joe
Next.
actually found this, and I've cleaned it up, and it's actually got two Snow Hill, Wolverhampton.
The picture of it looks like a boat. A bridge.
Yeah, and if I flip it over without smashing the camera, that's the back of it.
That's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's
that's really
nice,
cool.
that is, yeah, I like
It's
that.
cleaned up really well, that has.
I think it comes off the top of a sign or something though, don't it?
I've no idea.
I'm sure I've seen things like this with like a sign underneath.
No idea.
That's cool.
Yeah. Right, that concludes today's little adventure. So, need to give a quick shout out to Chris Pointer, who's from Cannock, and he was helping us out identifying the train stuff that we've been finding. So, big thank you to you. On that note, that concludes today's little adventure. So, till the next adventure, take care, and we'll see you soon.